Okay, so the last where we have stopped. So this is the corner one, corner two. So how it is? So there are if you how to add some different borders and everything. So that is we have discussed here. Okay, so now we are going with the CSS backgrounds. So background already we have seen. So there is a slight variation here. So we will discuss that one. So what is a slight variation? So for that, index 13.html and doc document. So then h2 and the css background image. So I will write a shorthand. Okay. So css background image. Okay. So what is this? We already seen the background image. What is the difference? So there are different properties are there. That is we are going to be discussing. So we have added a one image. So that is a one thing. So I want to add a multiple images. So how to add? So here I will take a one div. Div hash demo one. Okay. Enter. So I have created a ID attribute. Clear? The ID attribute is there. So here a style and a background. Yeah. So first what we have to do, we are going to be write a style for this one. For where? For the ID demo. For that hash demo one open close brace and background image URL. Then I need to add images here. So how to add images? Let's close this one. So you will get a free images. So how to add? So just go here, search for the pixel because you want to search for the images and everything. So you can take any image garden. So garden image you want to set means. So I will take right click, inspect. So you can just click any URL path here. So you will get the images. So here you have to take the path up to .jpg file. So Control X. Then I will add a first image. Okay. Save it. Right click. Open with the live server. So it is going to be run on it. So why it is a background image is not showing? Background image demo. Okay. So here. I will add some text and everything. For that, I will add us one header h2 the VG image with the text and paragraph loiperum dummy text. Enter. Control S will go here. See here, you might see the images here. Okay, so I want to add some height and width here. So the height, sorry, height is around 400 pixel. Control S. See here you might see the image here. Okay, so this is a one image. I want to add a one more image. So this image is too big. So if you want to add a smaller images, you will get to know. Control S will go here. See here how it is. It is there. Okay. I want to add a one more image here. So we already know how to add an image. I want to add a one more image. So that is a this one. Control S. Reload it. Okay. So mm, here what I will do, I will take one more different image because it is taking more space. So that's why. So I will go here, or else I will right click, save image as. Where is my folder in the CSS? See, uh, img.jpg, something like that. So we'll close this one, and I will go here, search here, img.jpg, control S, right click, open it the live server. I will open one more time. Okay, it is not opening. What is the position? What is the problem? So any issues here? So here we are not finding any issues. Okay, URL, background image, everything is correct. Okay, so let's wait. So now I want to add a control S. Yeah. So here I will just remove uh, control S. Okay. So now here, okay, let it be height control S. So now we are going to find a one image here, but another it is not showing. So what I will do, I will do background repeat, no repeat. Control S will run this. So it will not repeat. See here, there is a one image, this is another image. Okay, so how to set two images, but we don't want to overlap. I want to set here, I want to set one image here. So how to do this one? Yes, so there is a one more property is there, background position. What is the background position? See, you don't need to type all the whole names, okay? Just type a BAC POS. So first letter three words, second letter three words. You will get a background position that quick because so this is because it will save your time. Or else if you simply typing letters or something like that, no, so it will avoid. So so now right right side with the bottom. Okay, right side bottom is a first image, and so right side bottom means here, and uh, the next is the left top means here. So here I will use a left and a top. Control S will go here. Okay, so why it is not showing? Any mistake we have done? So background position is correct. Right bottom correct. Here I will add a control S. Will go here. See here. So one image is the top left. This is the top left. This is the right bottom. So that's why it is fitting like this. Okay. So just we'll add a background repeat, and we'll add a padding of how much 30 pixel. Got it. So this is how we can add a multiple images. See, background image we have seen. So background position we have seen. So that's it. The next is a RGBA colors. The next is in the same section. I will use a one horizontal line. So that is the HR tag. and H2 horizontal line, and we will go one paragraph. You can see here, this is a simple text. Copy, hash, sorry, ID equals to P1. Okay, Control C, Control V, Control V. Okay, so let's assume this is a 3. Okay, P1, P2, P3, P4. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to demonstrate the colors. Colors we already seen. So what is the different types of colors? If you just go here, uh, HTML colors, you just go for the this tab, you will see the colors. So you can just go by the hexadecimal value, or else you have to go for the RGB value, or else you have to go for the HSL value. So there is a RGBA. So one more value will come, that is a, see, normal blue color means you will get a blue color, that is okay. But in the blue color, what is the darkness you want? So you can select like this. If you want a light blue, so you can go here. So some this whitish blue like that, you have to go here. Okay, so or else yellow related. If you want to go for the dark yellow here, so black with mixed of yellow, so this is how. Black with a white yellow, so this is how. So either you can use this code or this code or this code, it will works. So just I will demonstrate here. So first I will take a hash p1 open close brace. So here inside a RGBA, okay, RGB means red, glue, red, green, blue, A. So A value I will show you. So just what I will do, I will go here, uh, RGBA bracket. So what is the color? 255 comma 0 comma 0. Okay. So what is this one? This is the background color. So here I will just control X, control V, control S. Okay. So P1, if I just right click, okay, already it is running. I will just go here. See, it is looking like this. Okay, then I will make a something height of about 50 pixel. Okay, so this is how it will work. Okay, the next I will go for the same color with the control V. Just I will make a 2, control V, 3. Okay, I think 3 right, 4 is there. Control V and 4. Control S. If you just go here, you will not find anything here. So I will add one more thing, that is the A value. What is the RGB? Red, green, blue. But A is a one thing, so that is what I will add. 0.2. Control S. If I just go here, see here how the darkness is there. So what I will do, this is a 0.1. Control S will go here. See here, completely like opacity we can say here. So I will go here 0.6. Control S will go here, see here, and 0.9. So what is the value I have used? So that is the RGBA. A is a opacity value. It is going to be set for the all the images. Or sorry, colors. So you want a red color, but you want something blurred or like a light red. So you have to choose like this. Okay. So this is called the RGB value. Okay. The next is the HSL value will come. What is the HSL value? So I will just remove for first one. Okay. So just I will comment. What is the HSL value? So just we are passing the value with again like three colors. So what is the HSL? So that HSL value will be HSL HSL value. Uh, we are going to be applied from there. So again, it is a background color only. Bracket. Sorry. First, we'll add a background color. Then HSL. Okay, the HSL. Then see what is HSL? Hue, saturation, lightness. Okay, so this is how we can say. So that is a 120 and saturation will be 100% and lightness will be 50%. Okay, so this is how it will take the colors. Control S will go here. Okay, so this is called a HSL value. So again, if you add a alpha, there is a HSLA, HSLA, then the opacity value will come. So that is we are going to be darkness of that background color. It is going to be shown. Okay. The next is what CSS gradients. So this is very important to design a website if you want to add a multiple colors and all. So this is the important. So for that, index 14.html and the document, control S, then H2, the CSS gradients. First one is what? Linear gradient. The second one is what? Radial gradient. Third one is what? Conic gradient. Save it, right click, open with the nice row. So why we need and where we are using and everything we are going to be discussed, no worries. So let's close this one. Let it be. So first what I will do, I will take the linear gradient. So I will take a one div here. Okay. So just I will add a ID demo1, control S, style, then for the hash demo1, the hash demo1, open close brace, and just will add a height about a 300 pixel. So linear LIN. Okay, so here what happens? Sorry, not here. So we are going to be set the background image here. So first one is what, a background color. Background color red. Control S, and background image. Yeah. So here, if you just type LIN, so automatically it will come, hit enter, linear gradient. Then you can pass the value here. So red and something yellow. Okay. Control S. We'll go to the browser. See here, we are adding the multiple colors here. So here it is a yellow, here it is a red is there. So this is called a linear gradient. So you can add a multiple colors also. Yellow, red, yellow, and green. Control S. If I just go here, see here. Red, yellow, green. So this is called a linear gradient. Okay. So what is this one? This is called a linear gradient. So next is what? Next is a radial gradient. What is the radial gradient? So I will take a one more div hash demo 2. Okay. So here I will go here hash demo 2 open close brace, and I will add a what is called a, the height is around the same 300 pixel, and background color is of yeah, I will take a directions also here. We will take a okay, just I will explain some more things. So linear gradient, from top to right or left to right, so that is we are going to be uh, we are to right. So how to pass here? To bottom, bottom right. Control S will go here. Yeah, there is a slight mistake. To bottom right, then we need to pass the comma here. Control S. See here how it is so red, yellow, green. So this is called a linear gradient. Okay, so you can pass the degree also. So how to pass the degree? Let's say 180 DEC. So 180 DEG. Control S. If you just go here, so this is a 180 degree. So if you want to go for the Control S, save it. So 90 degree. So this is how it will works. The next will come the you learn about a linear gradient. The next will come a radial gradient. So background color. So just add a radial gradient. So background, okay. Just I will go here, remove a background image. radial gradient. So radial gradient is a red. Okay, same I will use red, yellow, comma, green. Okay, so just I will add a some horizontal line here. I will add a some break and the horizontal line. Control S. If I just show here, so this is here. Linear gradient means either left to right or top to bottom, right to left, bottom to top. But radial gradients means it is going to be start from the center point. So center point, yellow color, green, and everything. So linear means it is going to be start with this one. Radial means it is going to be start with the center. That's it. Okay. So if you want to make a something called a see this is something diagonal it is happened. So if you want to make a what is this one? Control S. If I just go here, see you might find this one circle is there, but okay I will show height equals to 300 and width equals to 400 pixel. Control S. See here how the circle is happened. So this is called a radial gradient. So you can pass the multiple value also. Red, yellow, green, and we can add a blue, BL, UE. Control S. If I just go here, see here, red, yellow, green, blue. So you can pass the what you can say a multiple colors. So that is called a linear gradient. The next will come the conic gradient. Okay, what is the conic gradient? Means it is something like that square type. So for that, do hash demo 3. Control S, hash demo 3, open close brace. So then background image. So we can pass the conic, CONIC, conic gradient bracket. So again same color I will pass here. Control C, Control V, Control S. Yeah. So where is this one? Demo 3. So I need to pass the height and width everything. So that at least I can pass the height is around 300 pixel. Width is around 400 pixel. Control S. If I just go here, see here how it is. It is something square type. It is going to. Okay. First one is red, yellow, green, and orange. I think spelling mistake. Dark cyan. I will use this color. Control S. See here, red, yellow, green, dark cyan. So multiple colors is added. That is called a what we can say conic. Okay. See, conic, not a chronic. That is the conic gradient. Okay. So here what happens? I will add some circle here. Border radius 50%. Control S. If you want to make a circle, so it is going to be act as a circle. Okay, so this is how it will works. Okay, the next is the CSS shadows. Shadows we already discussed, but somewhat we will discuss more. So there are two types of shadows will come. One is a text shadows, one is a what you can say text shadows, and one is a box shadows. So for that, index 15.html and the document. Okay, just a minute. Okay, the first one is what a text shadows and a box shadows. So why we need to make a look good? Save it. So here, sorry, Control Z. I will take a which to the shadow. The first one is what the shadow. P is a text shadow and P is a box shadow. Save it. Okay, we are going to be discuss. First, we will discuss about a text shadows. Okay, for the text shadow for style. Okay, so I will show the H3. This is a text shadow effect. Control S. So I will take a H3, open close brace. So something the text hyphen shadow. So just I will pass a 2 pixel, 2 pixel, Control S, right click, open with the live server. So it is going to be, see how the text shadow it is going to be shown. Okay, so if you want to make see if you want to change that color, the shadow effect color, if you use something called whatever the color you want, uh, I will take this color. Okay, Control S, we will go here. See here, you might see the some shadow, right? So whatever the text is, that is the shadow, it is there. Okay, so that is called a text shadow. Okay, the next we can pass the one more parameter, 2 pixel, 2 pixel, and something called a 6 pixel. Control S, will go to the browser. See, there is a some shadow is behind the text you might see here. So this is called the text shadow. Okay, so like that, so you can pass the do the text shadows, and the next is what the box shadows. So what is the box shadows? So box shadow is again it is a let's say for this I have a one div. Okay, div is there. Okay, so this div hello world something text is there. Okay, WORLD hello world is there. Okay, save it. For this one, I will write a box shadow. So for the div, open close brace. So box shadow, okay. So something 2 pixel, 4 pixel, something like that. Control S will go here. Yeah, just what I will do, I will add a height is around the 200 pixel, and width is around the 200 pixel. Control S will go here. See, this is the background. This is the, you are going to be seen here. So just I will make a little bit of a 10 pixel, 20 pixel. Control S. If you just go here, see here. This is called a box shadows. Background color. Control S. If you just go here, see here. This is the box shadows. So if you don't want to write a box shadows, so if you just go for the uh, box shadow, if you just search for the box shadows, uh, you will get a one official video. I think not in box, so that is the box shadow. Okay, so I will show the CSS box shadows. If you just search here, you will get the CSS box shadows. So CSS scan is there. So you can use whichever the box shadow you want. If you just click here, it is copied, and you can add a control V, control S. If you just go to the your box, see here how the box shadow is there. So you can have a different box shadows here. You can just go through it. If you want this box shadow, copy and control Z, control V, control S. If you just go here and see here, see this is how the layered box shadow will be shown here. Okay, so if you want, you can just go through it of whichever the box shadow. If you want this one, so copy, just click on, automatically it is copied, and you just add here, control S. If you just go here, see here, this is the box shadow layer. Okay, so you got the box shadows. Okay, the next is what a 2D transform. Okay, CSS 2D transforms. What does that mean? CSS transforms move, rotate, skew. These are all the different things is there. So that is called a 2D transform. Okay, so there are different methods are there. So we are just going to be discuss one example. So this is a one div is there. So I will apply the 2D transform. So how to apply? So here just I want to go here, add a transform. See, transform is 2D, 3D means it is related to animation related. You will get to know. First, we will rotate the element and everything. You will just translate. So, how much you want to do? Translate 50 pixel, comma 100 pixel. Control S. See here. Earlier it is here. Now it is transform from here to here. So there is a one more is there. What is this one? Transform, rotate 180 degree. Control S will go here. See, it is rotated to 180. See, the hello 180 degree means what? So it is shifted to top to completely ulta it is showing. So if you just go for the 90 degree, see here, the hello word is coming like this. Normal will be like this. So this is a how it is going to be rotate. Okay. So this is a what we can say. I will use a transform scale 2 comma 3. I will use a transform scale 2 comma 3. Control S will go here. See here. This is what you can say, increases the div elements size, this one. So that is a scaling. Okay, so just I will take a 0.2, 0.3 like this. Control S will just go here. See, this is how it is a actually it will looks. See, layer wise layer and everything. Okay, so this is called a transform. Okay, so many methods are there. You just have an idea. 2D, 3D transform you have idea means that is more enough. The next is comes a transition. So what is a transition in the sense? If you see some website, when you open, it's automatically some moving, some object is rotating, or something flicking, or moving from right to the left, or left to the right. So that is you might see. So those is called a transition. What is a CSS transition? The transition will change the property value smoothly over the given saturation. So what does it mean? We will go with the one example. You will get to know. I will take a one more div here. So I will add a some what you can say H HR horizontal line, then H2 the transition. Control S, and I will take a one div hash demo for something like this. Okay, so now I will take a style here hash demo for open close brace. Okay, so demo the width is a 100 pixel, height is a 100 pixel, and background is a something red. Any doubts? Okay. Okay, so here background color is a red and a transition. So here it is a transition, sorry, not transform, transition. So we are going to be add a transition delay and a width and a 2 second. Control S due colon hour open close brace and width equals to, so 100 is there, I will make a 300 pixel. What does it mean? Whenever I mouse over, so the width will be 100 to the 200. Save it. We'll go to the browser. Where is it? Yeah, demo 4. Okay, what I will do, I will just comment for a while this. Hold the Control S. I will select all those due, or else I will delete this. Control S, run it. So when the mouse over on the div, it has to be changed the this one. Okay, I will just change to div here. Control S will go here. See here. What is happening here? Whenever I mouse over means it is going to be transition from one locations to the like not like a location. It is making a width. So if you want to move faster, if I just make 1 second, Control S. If I just go here, see. If I want to make a slower, so just take a 5 second, Control S. If I just go here, so it is taking for the 5 seconds to reach from the left to right. So this is called a what you can say a transition. Okay. So if you have just idea about what is a transition, it is a more. Okay. The next is what the animation. So what is the animation? I think some of the website you might having some animation. So transition means what? Moving up from one location to the another location. Animation is something. It is loading the something cart image, rotating a cart image, and everything. So that is called what you can say animation. So just I will give one example, and you will get to know. So for that, I will take a one index 16.html and a document control s h2 animation. Okay, the first I want to write a animation for a div. So for that I will take a one div. So what is that div? It is a empty div. Okay, now I want to write a css for this one, so I will just write a style for the css. So for the div, open close brace, the width is around 100 pixel and height is around 100 pixel and background color is around something red and animation name. So here it is a animation name, something called a ABC. You can give any name and animation duration. See, you don't need to type all the name. So just type ANIDUR. So it will come animation duration. So you can add how many seconds it has to be shown. 4 seconds. The next is water. Okay. Add keyframe. Add keyframes. What is the animation name? ABC. So ABC, open close brace, from. So you need to do animation, but you need to change the what changes it? It has to be changed the one color to the another color. Okay, from BAC background color already red is there. From red to open close brace, background color yellow. Control S, right click, open with the live server. Okay, so that has to be shown. So what is the mistake? Add keyframes. So this is the div is there. 4 second. Control S. Run it. See here. If I mouse over this, if I just reload it, if I just mouse over means it is going to be change the color here. Okay. So if you want to reload it, if I just go here, it is changing the color. This is called a CSS animation. So if you want to learn more, so you have to go for the official website or Mozilla CSS. So there you will get the what we can say uh, about more about the CSS. Okay. The next will come the CSS pagination. So why we need a pagination in the sense? See, pagination is a something. It is going to be. I will just show you, but you don't need to worry about this one. This is the CSS pagination. What is the CSS pagination? So if you see some of the website, it is having a list of. Okay, I will show you here. Pagination algebra CA. So what is a pagination? See, this type of link you have seen. So this is called a pagination. What is it is? This is the list item with the anchor tag and the display inline. So this is the CS. So why we need a pagination? You have a huge number of data, so that time so you need a pagination because you have 1 lakh data. So if you want to show in the same browser, it is difficult. But you can load the 10 topics or 15 topics or 20 topics at a time. So that is possible. Okay, so that is called the CSS pagination. The next, the major topic is the responsive web design. Okay, so we will take 2 more topics, then we will finish us the today's what we can say session. Tomorrow onwards, it is a JavaScript. So what is a grid? See, grid means so website is dividing its space into grid. So what is a grid? So this is your website page, and it is divided into grids. This is the one grid, second grid, three. So like that, it is having a standard of 12 grids. So 12 grid is your one website. Okay. So why we need a grid? Okay. So yes, I given one assignment like that. Okay. So you have to define one user login page, registration page, something like that. I want to define a two forms with the same row. So then you have to go for the grid. Okay, so if you want to go for the grid 1, grid 2, grid, if you want a three forms. Okay, so if you want a form 1, sorry, this is the form 1, this is the form 1, form 2, form 3. So how you are going to be used? So I am using the grid. So inside a first grid it is going to be sit, and this is the second grid, it is sit, and it is going to shift to here. So here 12 grids are there. Then how to divide? So 4 grid for first one, 4 grid for second one, 4 grid for third one. 4, 4, 4. Then 12 grids will be happen. Okay, so that is called a grids. The next will come the media queries. Okay, what is the media queries? Why we need this one? Okay, so just I will go here. I have some website here. What is the website? Yeah. So this is the website I am developed. Okay, so here this is the one website is there. Okay, so uh, it is showing here. So if I just minimize this one, Control Shift. Okay, now it is looking in the good in a desktop. If I opened in a mobile, Control Shift I. So if I just go for the mobile devices, so it has to be fit properly. So I will just go here, see here. So this is something the cut is happening. So this should not be happening. Okay. So this is called a website. Got it. So it has to be fit for the desktop or it has to be fit for the mobile. So to make it, so that is called a responsive. So how we are going to be make it is, see now this image size is something called I will just see it is just to show showing that a thousand to so 1200 and width and 800 pixel height is there. Okay, so this is how uh, it is going to be shown here. So now what I want to do, I want to run this one. Okay, it is fitting properly. When I opened in the mobile devices, how it looks. See, it is something called a cropped. Okay, so this should not be happened. So how to do this one? For this one, it has to be fit for this device also. Then we need to write a media queries. So how to do? Let's say uh, I will give an example. Okay, so here add media and the only screen and bracket open close brace. I will set the max width equals to 600 pixel. Okay, and max width equal to 600. That time here what we have to do, so we need to change the body color to background color something powder blue. So right click, open with the live server. Yeah, 1 minute, max width 500, control S. We'll see here. Right click, inspect. Just will go here and we will understand the first size 414. Okay, so max width equals to 414. Control S. Okay, it is not changing. So what the mistake we have done? I will just change to the max to min width. See, for the body, I am writing the CSS. When it will come for the foreground color, so change the background color to the powder blue. I will just, it is not happening. So add media, only screen, and I think this is a mistake. Minimum width. Minimum width equals to 414 I have taken. So that time body has to be changed the background color. Save it. Run it. I will just change the orientation. See here how it is changing the color, background color. If I just sheen here, it is going to be, it is changing the color here. Initially, background color is white and automatically it will come for the powder blue. Okay, so this is called a media queries. So then where we are using, so just I will go here, I will just open a Flipkart here. Or else this one only I will use. So this is something 1200 pixel. When I opened in the mobile device, so it has to be minimized to the 1000 to the something 400 pixel width. So that is called a CSS. Okay, that is called a writing a media queries. See, it is something it is a cropped image is cropped, but here it is looking properly. Got it. So here it is looking properly. When it comes to the mobile device, so it is a cropping here, so it is not showing fully, so that should not be happen. So if it should not be happen means you have to write the images properly, or sorry, you have to write the media queries. Fine. So today we have completed